Hi, in this video we will learn about HTML video. To insert some video files in your web page, the tag you need is video. So it is almost similar like audio tag. So you need one src attribute to provide the source of the video. Like here in my resource folder, I already copied one open movie from Blender. So here it is my video sample, but it is a movie from open movie from Blender Studio. Okay, so you can see the movie, the video already came to my HTML page with appropriate aspect ratio, but I want to squinch it, means it is too much wider. So if I want to squinch it, I have to put some width. Let's say width equal to 500, and now it is like this. But if you want to change its dimensions, you can do that using width and height. But it in video file, the actual file aspect ratio will be same as it was recorded. Okay, so we'll learn about them in CSS. Okay, and now I am going with another parameters, another attributes, like let's say controls. So if you want to put some controls, it will be like this. So it it is Chrome's default control. So you can hit your play button, and now movie is playing. You can seek it.
Guys,
You can mute it, unmute it. You can change your volume also. You can make it full screen, and you can change your playback speed. You can make it picture in picture like this.
don't
Okay, so
hurt you. Just
there are many things you can do. So it is Chrome's default
all right then.
uh,
Insult you,
video
little green.
control. Now there are another attributes like autoplay. So if you do that, you can see when the page will be loaded, it will play automatically without hitting the play button. If you want that feature, you can use autoplay.
Hello,
I
Mr.
am just
Snail.
removing it for now. Now I already told you width and height, and then I told src, I told you controls, I told you autoplay. So now I am going with muted. So if you put the attribute muted, so you can see this video is in mute mode by default. So if you want to unmute it, you have to unmute it by clicking that button manually. So that is the muted. Now I am coming with loop. So they are similar like audio tag. So if you put loop, and I am removing muted attribute now if you play it, and if you go to the last, so you can see when your video will end, so it is playing again. So that is the loop attribute. So it will help you to loop the video again. That's it. Now there is another attribute, that is
Hello,
poster.
Mr. Snail.
So I am
Oh, you
going
cute
with,
little
let's
Miss.
say I am refreshing it, and suppose if you do not put any autoplay attribute, and you already loaded the page, means the page is already loaded. Now if you put some image or some picture in your poster, like here in rsc folder I already copied some poster like a save.jpg. If you do that, you can see. So this is the poster of that particular video. So if you provide that poster attribute in your video tag, so when that video is not playing, it is loaded in your page, In that time this poster will come. So that is the poster. So if you play it, then your video will play, and it will come only when you reload it this time. So that is the poster. Okay, one more another attribute, that is preload. So if you go with preload equal to none, so you can see if you refresh it, so there is nothing in bar. You can see there is nothing in, means no data is loaded in from the video file. There is no data. But if you change it from none to auto, so you can see some of the data is loaded and it is in white color. So this data is loaded. Okay, so whenever you will play, hit the play button, it will play. So some of data is already loaded, so it will give you some smooth experience to your users. Now there is another value that you can put, that is metadata. And if you do that, so refresh it, so it will load some small amount of data and some metadata of the particular file. That is also useful. If you want, you can use that also. Okay, so that are the main useful attributes from HTML video. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.